Hey guys, how are you? This is Big Chonis looking at Bitcoin's 4-hour chart. So we clearly see our bear flag here. We see our last three 4-hour candles touched our lower channel support, which is currently holding. However, I fear a fourth candle touch here would probably not. We do have our Bollingers are still pretty wide. We see back here what happens when they really tighten up. That does signal a bigger move in price action. Because we're so wide here still, I would assume several more candles of some sideways price action, a few $100s up, maybe a few $100s down, but keeping this level until our Bollingers can tighten once again on the 4-hour chart. Our RSI is a little better. We're definitely better to be above 30 and not down here. However, we're still below 50, which basically classifies this as a very weak and still very bearish trend here with no real follow through yet in momentum. Our stochastics did reset and actually was able to push higher, but now we're basically back to our top area here with not really much running room left to go, and currently a slight bear cross is still happening here. This basically shows that any other bullish move up would basically be short-lived until this was going to come back down and reset. And we can see here our MACD is definitely having a bull cross here, but we're so low in this bearish zone here that even just a little bullishness is kind of irrelevant until we get back somewhere up to break even point here. So we have a long way to run still if we want to get back to any kind of bullish tendencies we had back in July. We'll continue to watch this through the day. We're heading into the weekend now, and we know that our weekly candle, which closes on Sunday, is still very bearish with just a little wick here. I assume the bulls will want to keep this basically as is, maybe put a couple more $100 to make this look a little better. Until then though, there's really no change with lots of resistance still ahead, and our next support areas are definitely in much lower areas. So stay safe, stay tuned, we'll keep you guys posted.